driver. There's 2 more people in there and a dog, so. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Bassey, go ahead and step out of the car for me, please. Step out of the car for me. Hey, step out of the car. Oh, be warned.
43 emergency traffic. Traffic stop for 1341 is about felony for going southbound Antoine moving forward.
He's got a good felony warrant. We'll get a sergeant to authorize Fox K9.
Please discharge firearms. Just crossed the 143rd. But head to First Wisconsin.
Shots fired, shots fired. Hey, I think I've got him at 5828. 5828. Hold it right there! 5828. 5828 West 34th. 5828 34th. Hey, hold it right there! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Hey, I've got him over here. Put the gun down! Son of a bitch! He just shot at me. He just shot at me. Shots fired! Put it down! Put it down! He's up against the building! He's up against the building behind the cars! Stay on that side! Stay on that side! Stay on that side! Keep that!
Right there. He's on the white truck, by the white truck. By the white truck. Come on!
Where's he at?
Right by the white, in between the Ranger and the Jeep. He's probably.
Moving by the Jeep.
He should be on the left side of the Jeep. I saw him right between the Ranger and the Jeep.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Keep him on that side. We got him surrounded. You're fine. Down. He's going down. He's on the ground. He's on the ground.
Right there. Hold on.
He's on the ground underneath the Jeep.
Can't see him from here.
I'm keeping his head down a little bit.
I know. Okay, window just busted out.
Over to you. Hey, where's he at? Hey, right there. Watch out. Move.
Right beside that, there's a coma on the left side. He's laying on the ground now. I'm sliding to coma. He's laying on the ground.
Moving left.
Hey, ceasefire! Ceasefire! Suspects down!
Hold here. Hey, everybody chill.
Suspects down, laying down.
Hey, you got eyes?
I got eyes on suspect. That's clear.
Hold here, everybody stay back. Stay back, sit down, everybody stop. Alright, listen. Hey, hold on just a second. Everybody clear the air, suspect down. Clear the air, stay where you are. K9, I've got control.
He's next to the Tacoma. Everybody easy.
Suspect's down next to the Tacoma, driver's side. Staying down. Everybody back down. Hold on. Hey, I've got control. Hey! Not him, on me.
Right alongside the white woman.
Give him shield. That's the guy. Back in the car. Back in the car. Yeah. Hey, he's got control. Can you guys set up L? Set up L.
Hey, well, I'm figuring it out.
Hey, it's not unlocked. Hey, what would you have? Your number 2? Yeah, he's down.
Black hoodie, black vest.
Alright, listen. Hey, can you come over here with me? Rifle. Push with me. Hold on, we got it. Yeah, you got it out. Push down, push forward. Get eyes down.
That's clear. Hey, can you push on the left side of this pole?
Push up to that, like that blue SUV up there. Get eyes
Suspect's
down.
going to be down. Head is going to be laying to the right. The pistol, he had the pistol in his right hand, but he...
got him.
Okay, good deal.
Alright, here we go. What do you want to do? Let me get this.
All right, we got...
Chill real quick. We'll move up.
All right, get that officer that's in front of us out of there.
Hey, Piper, get out of there!
That's clear.
Hey, right, you on my right, he's on my left, let's move up. Tell him to hold the air and move up.
That's clear.
Units responding.
Push out left, get eyes.
Moving.
Yeah, push out left, get eyes.
I got eyes.
Do not move! Do not move! Alright, push up, ready? I'm gonna hit him with the shield, dude.
That's clear.
Alright, let's do it. Get his right arm. Grab it.
Give me your hand, give me your hand.
Got it?
Got it.
Make sure we don't accidentally set that firearm off wherever it is.
Yep.
I got him.
There it is. Okay.
Still there.
Just leave it.
Alright, yeah, we got him. Everything's under control. Slow it all down. Roll EMS.
We got shears.
Yes, sir. EMS has already been.
Roll him over, see where he's hit.
Check. Yeah, he has a face.
Face.
Everybody check your partner.
I don't see anything on the chest.
Just the face. You have gauze?
I got gauze.
All right, let's get medical up here. If we have any gauze or anything, bring it up.